In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily type the Rouble symbol on your iPhone. Be sure to wait until the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started. First, we need to open any app where you can use the iPhone keyboard. I'm going to open the Message app. Here you can enter any conversation and then let's navigate to the text field. To start, tap the 1, 2, 3 button. To switch to the numerical keyboard layout, you can enter any numbers if needed. Now, to add the Rouble symbol, look for the button with the USD thing. If you tap it just once, it will insert the USD symbol. However, if you long press on the button, a selection of symbols will appear. In that menu, you'll find the Rouble symbol. Simply slide your finger to select it, then release to insert it into your text. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.